Hi there, Terry Hashimoto from BodiTrak. Today we're going to look at objective and quantifiable data that we can collect using the portable BodiTrak pressure mat. It is 8 pounds, you can roll it up, you can put it on a wall for measuring upper extremity issues. Let's take a look at some of the data that we can collect with the BodiTrak portable pressure mat. Okay, so today we're going to look at some of the new features on the new BodiTrak software. As Ben here moves right to left, left to right, you're going to see the center of pressure heel to toe and left and right, side to side. Bottom left hand corner are the total sum of his vertical forces, the impulse forces, and also left and right, and then we include the video. And in the bottom right hand corner will be the metrics that will be defined by you as the user of this device. One of the new features is this new alarm box that we can make larger or smaller merely by grabbing the corner. And then if the patient moves out of this COP range, and go ahead and do that, you'll hear this alarm. So this allows you now to use the software for potentially other patients while you're tending to other patients once you've set the parameters, and creates a business model for the new alarm system. In addition to that, we can add some more metrics over this. As you can see, we've got a range here now in millimeters. And so now we can set the ranges based on the parameter of the metrics we wish to choose. Full screen, we can do that as well, and this is called in the assessment section. But bar none is this CTSIB CAT-SIB clinical test of sensory interaction on balance, and we're going to get Ben to set up into a position here. And the first position is one with his arms crossed. He would not be facing the monitor. What he would be doing is looking away from the monitor. So each test would be 30 seconds. And in this first test, in this CAT-SIB test, Benny will cross his arms, keep his eyes open, and we would stand still for 30 seconds. Once the patient's in position, we hit the start button, and as you can see, it'll zoom down from 30 seconds. Now you'll see the total sum of the scores, and this is for test 1. And then test 2, we just merely move the cursor over to next. The next test in the CAT-SIB test is with the eyes closed, same arms crossed. Well, test 2 is now completed, and you can see the new scorings. We've got the total sway, max sway left and right, toe weight, heel weight, and time remaining obviously zeroed out. The next test in the CAT-SIB test is with the arms crossed, eyes open on a perturbed surface, and as you know, we can put BodiTrak onto a perturbed surface, which is very And the fourth test in the CAT-SIB test series here is the arms crossed on a perturbed surface, eyes closed, and again, we'll just count down to 30 seconds. Once all 4 tests are completed, up come condition 1, condition 2, condition 3, and 4. And finally, what you can do, and you'd probably do this first, of course, is to include the patient's name, and you can compare test to test. In addition to the CAT-SIB test, we also have the gamification, and this is an area that we find very intriguing, in particular for the young patients and for concussion assessments. Game 1, the patient will try to avoid getting hit by the balls, and you can change the size and speed of the balls, and also to the size. The object here is to hit the target, and as you can see, the patient's on the pressure mat, moving the pressure with their body. Real live scene of the person's face when they do this. They kind of like it, and it seems to be fun while they're doing it, which is cool, and it gives you a total outcome. The third game is really a winner. It's you push on your toes to get the rocket ship moving, and the goal here is to avoid the capsules. In addition to using it for gamification, CAT-SIB tests, you can also take the pressure mat because it's lightweight, put it on a wall, there's grommets in the back of it, and do upper extremity work as well. Terry Hashimoto for BodiTrak, thank you very much for your time.